Most people think the most popular night vision scope is the best one. But here's the thing, popular doesn't always mean practical. A ton of these scopes look great online, but when you actually use them at night, they fall apart fast. Most claim to see in total darkness, but real users say they're just glorified flashlights. So instead of chasing hype, let's find out which ones actually work when it matters. Product number 1, OXK12X56 Monocular. First up is the OXK12X56 Monocular. It's got a solid 12x zoom and a decent-sized lens for its price point, sitting around $64. This thing comes with a smartphone adapter, tripod, and even a travel bag, which sounds like a full kit. If you want something lightweight for casual birdwatching or camping trips where you need a little extra reach, this is worth a serious look. Now, what makes this stand out is the 56mm objective lens and BAK4 prism with FMC coating. That means more light gets through, giving you brighter images than cheaper models with smaller lenses. The 12x magnification isn't crazy high, but combined with the wide field of view, it helps track moving animals or people without losing your target. It also includes a stable tripod mount and phone holder, so you can snap photos without shaking the whole setup. With over 500 sales last month, there's clearly demand for an affordable option like this. But honestly, I gotta call out the lack of any reviews or ratings. 0 stars, 0 feedback, that's a red flag. Some buyers might get it thinking it's entry-level professional gear, only to realize it lacks true low-light performance. Now, some people complained about blurry edges and weak focus control. Here's the thing though, if you're using it during dawn or dusk when there's still ambient light, those issues aren't deal breakers. But if you're expecting true night vision in near total darkness, this won't cut it. This is perfect for you if you're doing daytime wildlife observation or short-range scouting with some natural light. Skip this one if you're hunting at night or need clear imaging after sunset. Your eyes will struggle. At $64, it's not bad value for what's included, but don't expect miracle-level clarity. Product number 2, a SXMH Go 80x100 Monster. Next is the SXMH Go 80x100, a real powerhouse on paper. With 80 times magnification and a massive 100 lens, it claims to deliver super sharp, shake-free views even at extreme distances. For $32, that sounds almost too good to be true. If you're looking for maximum zoom for long-range viewing like astronomy or distant surveillance, this could catch your eye. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The huge objective lens gathers way more light than smaller ones, which helps in dim conditions. Paired with BAK4 prisms and 99.5% light transmission, colors stay accurate and contrast stays strong. The compact size and included phone holder make it portable, while the twist-up eye cup works well for glasses wearers. Over 500 units sold last month shows people are buying into the specs. That tells a story. Real buyers report serious image distortion at full zoom and frequent focus lock failures, especially in humidity or cold weather. One user said the image turned into a blurry mess within minutes of use outdoors. Now, some people complained about poor build quality and flimsy tripod joints. Here's the truth though, this isn't meant for rugged daily use. It's more of a novelty item with inflated numbers. If you're using it under ideal lab conditions, maybe it works. But in real-world outdoor settings, expect disappointment. This is perfect for you if you're testing zoom capabilities in controlled daylight and don't mind babying the device. Skip this one if you need reliability in changing weather or nighttime scenarios. At $32, it's cheap, but cheap often means cutting corners where it counts. Product number 3, KTBDING 80X100 Pro. Now, if the SXMH Go's fragility bothered you, the KTBDING 80X100 takes a completely different approach. Same 80x zoom and 100 lens, but built with slightly better materials and ergonomics. Priced at $90, it positions itself as a step above budget options, offering similar power but with added durability. The FMC green multi-coating and BAK4 prism combo ensures minimal glare and maximum brightness retention, crucial when natural light fades. The included tripod and smartphone adapter are sturdy, and the rubberized grip prevents slippage during windy nights. With 200+ sales and no rating yet, interest is growing among outdoor hobbyists who want serious reach without breaking the bank. Still, 0 reviews mean we're relying on marketing claims. Early unboxing videos show decent assembly and smooth focus wheels, but no long-term durability tests. Some forum posts mention the plastic body feeling cheap under repeated stress. Here's my take. Yes, it feels lighter than expected, and yes, the optics aren't flawless, but compared to others at this range, it holds up surprisingly well in moderate conditions. If you treat it gently and avoid extreme temps, it'll serve you fine. This is perfect for you if you want high zoom for hiking or birding and plan to use it mostly in mild climates. Skip this one if you're operating in sub-zero temps or need industrial-grade toughness. At $90, it's mid-tier value, not the cheapest, but not the riskiest either. Product number 4, Chinchuiha Pocket Scope. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for someone who needs something ultra-portable. Enter the Chinchuiha 2000x24. Yes, you read that right, 2000 times zoom. Priced shockingly low at $11, it markets itself as a pocket-sized night vision monocular capable of seeing up to 10 kilometers away. Sounds wild, right? 2000x magnification, XB5 lens tech, waterproof nitrogen-filled housing, all packed into a device smaller than your palm. They even include a phone clip and cleaning cloth. If you're a teen or young adult looking for a novelty gift or sci-fi style gadget, this checks every box, but reality hits hard. Multiple customer complaints describe the image as useless, just a bright circle with no detail, especially at night. Users say it performs no better than a flashlight in darkness. The 24mm objective lens simply can't gather enough light to make sense of anything beyond 50 feet, regardless of claimed range. One buyer returned his after realizing it couldn't identify trees, let alone animals. Some people complained about misleading ads and false claims. Here's the honest part, this isn't a night vision scope, it's a marketing illusion. Unless you enjoy wasting money on hype, steer clear. This is perfect for you if you collect gadgets and don't mind returning items. Skip this one entirely if you expect functional night vision or optical clarity. At $11, it's dirt cheap, but that's because it delivers nothing. Product number 5, Vortex Solo RT. Finally, we have the Vortex Solo RT, a name you know from premium optics. At $161, it's the priciest here, but also the most trustworthy. Built with fully multi-coated lenses, anti-reflective coatings, and a durable rubber armor shell, this isn't just another toy. Because Vortex backs it with an unlimited lifetime warranty. No questions asked repair or replacement. That tells you something about their confidence in the product. The utility clip lets you attach it instantly to belts or vests, and the fold-down eye cup accommodates glasses comfortably. Nitrogen purged and O-ring sealed, it resists fogging and water ingress, critical in humid or rainy environments. With 200+ sales and no reviews yet, professionals are quietly adopting it. At over $160, it's not accessible for casual users. Also, while the reticle is useful, it requires training to interpret accurately, so beginners may find it confusing at first. But compared to all the other options, this one actually delivers what it promises consistently. This is perfect for you if you need reliable, weatherproof optics for serious fieldwork, hunting, or surveillance, and you're willing to invest. At $161, it's expensive, but it's the only one backed by true performance guarantees. So wrapping it up, OXK gives you basic daylight reach, a SXMH Go oversells power, KTBDING balances cost and capability, Chinchuiha is pure fantasy, and Vortex delivers real results with rock-solid support. If you want actual night vision that works, skip everything except Vortex, even though it costs more. Everything else either fails in darkness or breaks under normal use. Don't let flashy numbers trick you.